my name is M Kassner. I'm Kara Kassner's mom, and I work as a scientist at Caris Life Sciences doing cancer research. We use a lot of tools in the lab to run experiments, and one of those is cancer cells that we grow in these incubators and flasks that help us do our experiments. I'm gonna flip around the camera in a second and show you those under the microscope. Our cells in this flask that we grow them in special media that helps them grow. And I'm gonna zoom in here to show you what they look like under the microscope. And there they are, they're growing in there. And we use these for all kinds of experiments that we are trying to figure out things that are different between cancer and normal, so that way we can find better ways to treat cancer. I was able to get this job as a scientist by studying molecular and cellular biology in college. There are lots of science degrees that you could get that would qualify you. It doesn't have to be molecular and cellular biology. It could be just regular biology, biochemistry, regular chemistry. So there's lots of paths to this kind of a job. It would just need to be science related. And then I highly also recommend doing internships like I did during the summers when I was an undergrad. I worked in labs to help get lab experience, which was very helpful for me. Being a scientist is pretty fun. You get to use a lot of technology and equipment, and you also get to ask a lot of questions of like how and why things work or why they didn't work, and you have to troubleshoot that. But I've really enjoyed being a scientist, and it's a great option if that interests you.